Hi everyone, it's Amanda and welcome to my channel. Today I have a project share of a mini album that I made using Julie Nutting's Belle Vie photo play paper kit. I really love this paper. I just think it's very vintage looking, but it has a romantic feel to it and a Paris feel to it, hence the name Belle Vie. But I just love it, and so I wanted to share it with everybody. The front cover is just, you know, like a 3x4 journaling cards, and then I matted them and put them on the front. And then this is a sticker that I put on top of another sticker and matted it. There's a little heart here and a butterfly. And then this piece right here was a ribbon, and it was like a little floral ribbon, and I put rhinestones in the center of each flower. I just have some miscellaneous ribbon tied on the edges here, and it is a ring bound mini album or mini photo album. I'm still learning the hidden hinge, stacked hinge book binding system, but I still really love the ring bounds, and I probably, even when I get better at those, I'm still going to make these because I just love them. I like the way they expand when I put pictures in them, and if I want to add more pages, I can add more pages. I think there's just more flexibility to it, but that doesn't mean I don't like the others, because I am still learning that and I will master it. Anyway, I'll dig in and show you the first couple pages, and it's just using the beautiful paper from the paper line. These little dresses here remind me so much of like Audrey Hepburn. And then it says sometimes it's all about the shoes. This is a sticker from the kit that I matted on black paper. And then I've got a couple of photo mats here, and they're just pieces from the paper line. And then this one's blank. I can put a picture here, or I can even journal on this. And if I have more pictures, I can put them on the back as well. And they just tuck into this little pocket. On the left hand side is another little picture photo mat, and it sticks right in there. And this is just a little heart sticker from the kit, and I matted it on black. I really like matting things on black, in case you can't tell. The next page is all these little butterflies here, and then I put a little bag right here. It's just one of those little sleeves, and I put a little journaling spot here, or even a little photo. And then the other side is a long fold over piece with a 3x4 journaling card attached to it. I like doing this because it provides a little bit of interaction when looking at pictures, so I think that's really cute. And then this side, it is a like partial sheet, and I find that if I do this, I can put the 4x6 cards on a shorter piece of cardstock, and it gives me a break for my eyes and a place for me to note things and journal and stuff like that. And then I just have a bow here that I attached or glued to the front. And then back is another 4x6 card, and it says, "Life reveals her beauty, one precious miracle at a time." And I just think it's so cute. On this side, I have just a little tiny waterfall, really just two pieces for photos that I can stick there. And then underneath here is a little sticker from the kit, and it says Grace. And if we flip the page, I have the next two pages is a bottom pocket and a side pocket. And the bottom pocket has Bonjour, which is a sticker from the kit, and then this beautiful pink floral page or backing here. And these are plain. I can decorate these with memorabilia if I'm going somewhere, or I can attach another photo mat here. It's just, there's a lot I can do with the plain backs as well. And then here's a nice large photo mat and a little photo mat. I love this paper, it's so cute. On the right hand side, like I said, is a right side pocket with a little photo mat inside. And there's lots of room if I want to add more photo mats. And then when I turn the next page, I have a corner pocket here with a sticker from the kit matted on black and a couple of journaling journaling spot and a couple of photo mat, or a photo mat. And they just tuck right in the side. And then on the right hand side, I have a little pocket here that I created and matted on to this page. And it's only glued down on the 3 sides so that I can fit stuff in here, like for photos or journaling. And then this is another little sticker from the kit. And then we flip over again, and here we have the pink paper with the beautiful dresses again. And this time I have a flap that flips up, and it says "Life is Beautiful." I can do anything with this. I can put memorabilia, or I can put pictures back here, pictures down here. There's just so much room for it. And on this side is a belly band. And I have this kind of like a stopper here. Paris is always a good idea. And this belly band has a sticker here, and then a couple of photo mats or a journaling spot. And this here is popped up, and it kind of stops my my photo mats from going down or from slipping out. And because this is a little bit loose, because once I add pictures to it, it's going to be a little thicker, or these are going to be a little thicker. And then if I want to add more to it, I can. There's lots of room left in this photo album or mini book. On here, this side, we have the striped paper and another pocket with a photo mat. Oops, right there. And another sticker from the kit. And then I have another corner pocket with this little ticket item here. This is so cute because it has a little corset on the front. I love that. And then these are just a couple of small photo mats. They tuck right in the corner there. And then on this side, there's that pink paper again. That's so beautiful. And this left-hand pocket, I took a butterfly from the sticker kit and I matted it in black and just put it kind of like half on the pocket and half off. And then have a couple of photo mats here. And then on this side is a bottom pocket, and it says "Life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself." And a couple of photo mats. I love this paper here too. It's so pretty. And the black. I love the black too. And then I have another small little waterfall. And I think you can see my pattern. It's kind of like it's the same, you know, like there's a waterfall here and a waterfall here, this half page, you know, I kind of make it symmetrical. And then this says "Remember this." And then I have another partial page, or 3/4 or 4/5 size page, and with a couple of journaling cards, or 4x6 journaling cards on each side. And they can be decorative, or I can put photos on it. On this side, I have another flap that opens up, and this time I put paper on the inside. And this is a 3x4 journaling card attached to it. You flip up, and here's another little pocket, like envelope, you know, like a glassine bag, only it's paper, it's not glassine. And a little photo mat, very tiny photo mat. Perfect for my pictures, for my Polaroid, my little Polaroid zip. And then the last 2 pages is a bottom pocket and a right side pocket. And I have more of this beautiful paper here, making a photo mat. And it says "Life is but a dream." And this side has a cute little hanger that says "Fashion," and then a couple of photo mats as well. So, believe it or not, this was not a big kit. I didn't have like a whole bunch, and I still have a lot of paper and stickers left. So as I go about filling this little mini book, I can add more to it if I want to. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.